Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ki nong Shnong kathan maupat. Haga step jong ka arpu waitrik unai tung arhajar apusan kilami pat ba ban khanglat ban yakhi Halor ka jingwan ban pili thama ya ka office traikam ka CNRD block maupat hakan ni kasngi ki pat ba kila khanglat ya ka linti bawan ki arngut ki menteri ka sarkar uwei nakatanat CNRD block u AT mondal bat uwei u menteri katanat fishery uba AL hek ubadeiru u MLA kate kathan Habayo pat ban Ïakren bat UMLA kathan uba AL hek ulo ong ba ka Shnong ka klem ai Jingtip Halor ka Shithi ba ka Shnong ka laterwa ha usnem arhajar khan riu ulo ong ba ha ka bayedei bat ka bakim ai ka jingsio ka barit tam Halor ka ni nakalyang uba AL hek udang tip dang ha kisngi baladep bat ong bayo ya ka Shithi leng ba ka WhatsApp bat ong ba Maria yo I ka Shithi kumta kila pha ai ki video ban le ya ka hok Badula banjuru da kabaong bakanie kadai ka an jong kari. Kat bana kalyang umentri katnat CNRD block u AT mondal uloong. Ba umdan jing sngaw ha kabayedei berkajing hanglat ki pat ba bad ong bakan bha ban penbet ye ki jing uloong ru bakanie ka jing don ya kane ka office tray kam kan dei na kabanta ban shakri ya upat nong shnong hi. Balada ki nong shnong kim sngaw menjur bat sngaw ya ha Nakalyang umentri uloong ba omdan jingkali syapang kani ka jingki.
Sinadi di minister hi ong bato da pun syaban pri numpli kata gadi garai jong ka department ngin ne persya eka ga di tenggu MLA jong konstitusi gadi minister jong ke department. Ngam de ron ong ba gadi minister jong sinadi department. Da kai ke garai jong sinadi department ni hap yang kata. Ngim do de eru persya kata. Tong reset ai no se.
Rasul berpau di so benyon mana Shnong kawan ni
kendu rusa bandon kadu ka jing kadu ka jing dorkam kadu ka jing tuna kadu kami bon moni kendu yang ka sarkar ni yang aku menumi kemadu tiga tak rai ke ngamdan dan nomor ong rai harsi ka bakadu ban pleno pin ong ba kimsha eta tinga ong ba lada dei belawan ni kendu tang arsi lai si swai ka por nai ni dan rengkat baga Shnong ki Jingtip bega jingdong jingbet yang jang Shnong jing bah jang Shnong ikwa ahi menyetai bu
boleh ke daun mana doa aja kan dulu saya kata ni sama ni bu monong dulu beli ke sarkar kena
ni ya kata kilo ngora haga notice jonga bangatip manga gadang dei tang menta laisi sausi kemudian beros kata gamtip kata gajing joki ada kila bawra na adu kita gapo adu arhandri adu arhandar kanyo ada kelongga bagio underpay buat kempai buat di minimum labor wages ka kamram ga jonga magri gibri jongi sudah gitu betreng tu di magahi betap ya gitu gi baro ang tu napo konsumsi jonga tinggi gine kita bedun kam beli gibri locong dem di gibri locong lu ka hok di benio be mano mon ta ga jingba ga jingdot kam jong ginong Shnong jong konstitusi
kemudian laban ong bag Shnong kan pentip i pinu do aja kan do be sai to
ya kata kemudian ba pentip em ha ga bai dei bat kata ga ba kim a ya kata kan minimum wages ya kata kemudian ba pentip nang tip tang higni ki minjisngi ba pha da ga WhatsApp ka letter ru ki pha WhatsApp yu I tengi la ong ye video ba ni benle kadi ka hok kadi ka ani ru kan ni the law of the land kadi benle ba kata ya kata ri la dem ong deng benle ya kata
kalau Shnong berpau di lo ke jimban dino siang yang iPhone bring Shnong nak bagi Shnong ni ke blok
kami kata tiga page hingga blok pakai page sudah di department ya kata lah kami di department juga mengantip ke Asiliang nam Asiliang ya kata dengan nama betul
the people only. So there is some issues regarding the initial agreement and all this. So we fulfill that one. There is no problem.
we have agreed to inaugurate on the next fixed date.
No, whenever this problem will solve, we'll do it. No problem.
Are you disappointed by the way?
No, there is no question because see, these officers are to serve the people only. If people are not happy, there is no question of bulldozing it.
What was the problem? Because we had hot meeting with you.
They are mentioning that some agreement was done when this land was given, and they want that those agreement to be fulfilled in letter and spirit. We thought that let the block get functional because now it is serving from a temporary building, and we are not able to provide the services to the people. So we thought that let this block go and simultaneously we'll take up all these issues and fulfill everything.
Will we be having dialogue again with the German?
Yeah, definitely. We are open. I call them also to come to my office whenever they feel. Okay, even I call them if they're free. I am free at 3 o'clock. They can come and meet me or anytime today.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.